Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upload 3-minute Instagram reels. So first of all, open Instagram. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. After that, click on to plus option, select reels option, and then click on to camera option. Click on to 90, and then click on to gallery, select and click on to next. Look here, this is my 3-minute reels video, and then click on to share. So that's it. That's how you can easily upload 3-minute Instagram reels.